WESDUN is the lifeblood of industry, carrying the pulse of production and the bottom line of safety. This is WESDUN Group, the professional guardian of industrial water system valves. For the complex operating conditions of industrial water systems, our valves never compromise. Food-grade sealing materials are corrosion-resistant and wear-resistant, leak-proof, and meet the needs of multiple media, such as drinking water and industrial wastewater. Precise flow control technology ensures flow error of less than 0.5%, allowing every cubic meter of water to be used efficiently. Stable operation under high temperature and high pressure, with a pressure resistance of up to 2.5 MPa, and a temperature range covering -10 degrees centigrade to 80 degrees centigrade, suitable for various harsh environments. Furthermore, the Intelligent Automatic Control series supports remote monitoring and automatic adjustment, making water system management more worry-free and intelligent. Behind this quality lies 20 years of dedicated focus and commitment to industrial valves. From raw material selection to component processing, we implement meticulous control throughout the entire process. Our independent quality inspection center ensures that every valve undergoes over 20 rigorous tests, including strength testing, sealing testing, and lifespan testing, achieving a 100% pass rate before leaving the factory. ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, Special Equipment Manufacturing License, and other authoritative qualifications are our solemn commitment to quality. Currently, our products serve multiple industries, including chemical, power, municipal water supply, and food processing, providing stable and reliable valve solutions to over 12,000 companies. More important than products is service. We provide comprehensive services, from initial operational analysis and valve selection, to technical guidance and after-sales support. 72-hour service ensures immediate resolution of any unexpected issues. Customized production allows us to tailor valve solutions to your specific needs, ensuring a perfect match between valves and your requirements. Customer first, growth and innovation. WESDUN Group, safeguarding the safety and efficiency of your industrial water systems with professionalism. We look forward to working with you to build a quality defense line and create new industrial value.